Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about what is machine learning. The machine learning is in a subfield of AI that allows the system to learn the patterns from the data. Usually we call it as model which will learn the patterns from the data, and that model will improve the performance without being explicitly programmed, and it's used for predictions and classification and automations too. And this is in a broad field in AI, and first, the broad field is artificial intelligence. Inside that, there is in a small circle which is machine learning, and inside that, there is in a small circle it's deep learning, and the modern LLMs, which is comes inside the deep learning. And this is the one definition of machine learnings. Usually, it will use to explain the beginners, but there is no universally accepted statement which define the machine learning. I can show the proof. Machines, and particularly modern machine learnings and the artificial intelligence system, don't have any universal statement to explain their decision in the way human might provide the fundamental principles. That is because the machine learnings are complex and billion number of parameters in LLMs like that. So it will order to human to interpret. So it's often called as black box problem. Here you can see that the black box problem. In deep learning models, which use the neural network, are often called as black box because the decision making process is so complex, involving thousands and millions of parameters that is uninterpretable to the humans. So sorry, there is no simple or a single universal statement that explains why the neural network classify the image in certain way. That's why there is no single definition to explain the machine learning. And also the machine learning is in a quite broader field. So single statement may not cover all the topics. And that's it. In next video, we will see what are the different types of machine learning.